Hey paper callers, it's Friday, March 19th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First up, we have our top categories. Home services continues to dominate affiliate interest, remaining the #1 paper call category for the previous 4 weeks. Legal has started to inch upwards a few percentage points, and insurance remains solid with a hold on the #3 spot. Paper call activity in the automotive insurance category has begun increasing as consumer behavior normalizes while buyer appetite remains strong. We anticipate that auto insurance paper call will continue to grow and surpass 2020 demand. For more on auto insurance trends, we have Dave Mamane, CEO of WeCall, an agency that specializes in inbound insurance calls. Dave, what are some pros and cons of the auto insurance vertical?
That's a great question. As far as pros go, the obvious advantages are the fact that it's an evergreen category. Good economy, bad economy. There's no seasonality to car insurance, which makes it obviously a very sustainable campaign. Um, Good economy or bad economy, people need car insurance. Every car on the road needs car insurance. You're also dealing with some really large companies that have massive budgets. That obviously contributes to the scalability of the campaign. So whenever we're looking to start a particular campaign, those are two of the factors that we look for, are obviously sustainability and scalability. So those are the two major pros. As far as cons go, because you're dealing with such large companies, compliance is taken extremely seriously, and often the legal team gets their hands on the IVR. The IVR can be very cumbersome and challenging to overcome. However, that can easily be overcome with high quality calls. Lastly, as it pertains to auto transfers, one of the cons is that the auto transfer vertical as a whole has it seems to attract a lot of TCPA litigators. That being said, obviously that can be overcome simply by integrating with Ringba's TCPA litigator firewall, which would mitigate your risk. As a whole, the auto insurance vertical is just fantastic. It's got tremendous scalability and sustainability with massive budgets. If you're bringing value to your advertisers, there's no reason why you cannot sustain and scale the campaign.
Thanks, Dave. If you're interested in working with WeCall, we've included their contact information in the comments. Next up, we have our top offers. Vivint Home Security and American Classified Services continues to remain the #1 offer. The exclusive IRS tax debt relief campaign from Oregon Advertising has started to loosen its hold on the second position, and the data shows that it's trending down, most likely due to the fact that affiliates looking to get on board for the tax season are already too late. Legal offers occupy spots 3 through 6, with NetFly making the top list this week for the first time. And LeadSmart hit it out of the park this week, dominating the top list with 7 out of the 20 top offers. We're seeing a large number of new legal offers pop up on our radar this week. It seems to be one of the largest paper call growth verticals, with not only the most top offers, but some of the highest payouts as well. If you're not looking in the legal vertical, this is something you should absolutely be looking at. If you're a Ringba customer and would like guidance and introductions in the legal space, please reach out to your representative for assistance. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog for the full details. A link will be provided in the comments below. Next, we have our top networks. Congratulations to Matthew Zivkovic and the LeadSmart team. They've held the most searched pay-per-call network top spot for 4 consecutive weeks, with 53% more searches than Oregon Advertising in the #2 spot. Live Calls Networks has replaced Astora Company as the #3 network this week, and it was a tight race between the difference between the #3 spot and #9 being only a few percentage points. I'm excited to see how this plays out over the next few weeks as the competition heats up. All top 5 pay-per-call networks this week are Ringba customers. If you're interested in working with the #1 pay-per-call network, LeadSmart, their link is in the comments below. Once again, a huge thank you to our friends over at Offer Vault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the top pay-per-call trends. Next, we have our pay-per-call opportunities. 1-800-DENTIST is looking for a more programmatic publisher to sell them calls via Ringba's real-time bidding system. If you're a Ringba customer and have the ability to sell live phone calls programmatically, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for more information. Next, we have MediaLot, an agency that specializes in pay-per-call. They're looking for more final expense buyers to be added to their routing plan. They can work with static and programmatic call buyers. For more information on how to work with them, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for more information. Our friends over at Nivio, a call center outsourcing company that specializes in performance marketing related services, are looking for 2 salespeople to bring on new customers who need call center outsourcing services, one in the United States and the other in Europe. Their clients include some of the biggest names in the affiliate industry, including DFO Global and Snow Teeth Whitening. Strong base plus commission is available, along with extensive travel to trade shows all over the world. If you're interested in this position, you can apply by sending your resume to careers@nivio.com. Lastly, we have our news and announcements. Lead Generation World, the first in-person industry conference since the beginning of the pandemic, starts this Sunday. According to the official Lead Generation World app, there are 401 people registered for the event. The Ringba team will be there March 21st through the 23rd, and if you'd like to schedule a meeting or hang out at our client dinner, please reach out to your Ringba representative for an invite. Affiliate Summit has confirmed that they will be holding their New York conference in person July 19th through the 21st with a meet market only format. LeadsCon has also confirmed that they will resume in person in Las Vegas in October. We'll keep you updated on all of our industry conferences and events as organizers reach out to our team. Ringba product updates. Ringba would like to welcome Alex to our development team. So far this year, we've added 6 team members to our support, sales, and development teams, and we're grateful to all of our clients for supporting us. We'll continue to invest 100% of our revenue into improving our products and pushing the industry forward. Ringba target level capping has also been improved. Whenever you create or edit a target, you can now specify capping by hour on a daily basis. Buyer level duplicate controls have been added. To change these settings, go to Buyers and edit the buyer you'd like to change the settings for. Ring tree targets have been adjusted to allow duplicate control. To change these settings, edit any ring tree target and you will now see the controls. Campaign load times have been improved for those campaigns that have large numbers of JavaScript tags. Media libraries have been added to the IVR section to allow for better organization of IVR recordings. To see all of your files, go to Manage Media under IVR menu. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Pay-Per-Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.